Wow, look at that. Good evening mga kabunso and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mga kabunso, my name is Edwin Diego and I'm your bartender. So mga kabunso, for tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make a peach martini cocktail. So for the peach martini cocktail, we need this peach liqueur and of course vodka and our shaker and jigger, and of course for the glass, so martini glass, and of course mga kabuso, just sit and relax and enjoy your watching for this cocktail. So mga kabuso, let's do it for peach martini cocktail. Yeah. So mga kabuso, let's start. First step, make chill your cocktail glass. Put some ice and keep aside first. And second, for your vodka. For your vodka, 60 ml of vodka. 60 ml of vodka. And for your peach liqueur, 15 ml of peach liqueur. 15, 1 5. Because this peach liqueur is a sweet, so maybe you don't like the sweetness, so that's why 15 ml only. Put some ice and shake it. And now, almost done mga kabuso, and throw away this ice. You can see your cocktail glass is chilled already. So we need the chilled glass always mga kabuso. Almost done. And making sure the wall is dry there. Wow, look at that. Amazing. Amazing. So almost done mga kabuso, and our garnish, I make this lemon slice, lemon slice. So your peach martini cocktail is ready. So mga kabuso, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share to all your friends. And of course mga kabuso, as usual, my favorite time, tasting time. We'll check first for serving, Oh, cheers. Nice, little sweet because of peach liquor. You will feel the sweetness and smell. Nice, one more. Looking sexy. So mga bunso, thank you very much for watching. And what I'm gonna say, thank you very much. Your Peach Martini Captain. Cheers.